lot of fun to build. It turned out really well, and I think it's going to come in handy as I make more videos in the future. It has some really cool features such as this adjustable angle mechanism. You just loosen up these two knobs and you can adjust it. Also a quick adjustment knob for extending out the boom. And then of course I added on the newer ball head mount. You can pivot this around to any angle, any rotation that you want. So check this out. You can see in these plans I've got detailed full color pictures with good callouts and dimensions, cut lists, anything you could possibly need to build this project yourself. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit the like and subscribe and even ring the bell notification. All of that tells me what type of videos you like and that you're watching them so I can make more and more content. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, be sure to put them in the comments below. And until next time, dream big, create often, and smash that like button. Thank you so much for watching.